Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use Report control for web environment. Okay, so first of all, let's create our database here. I already have done my script, so just create a database, any table you want, like this one, and just insert some information on that table. Okay, for the moment I have this information in a students table. So what we are going to do is to display or to show this information in our web application. Okay, so go to File, New Project, File, New Project, select Web, ASP.NET application. So let's name it database. Okay, click OK. Select MVC, here MVC. Okay, let's wait until the Visual Studio ends or finished to load our project. Will take a few seconds, so just wait. Okay, in order to use Report control, first of all, we need to install a package. For that, go to Reference, right click, Nugget Package Manager, and search for reporting services, which is this one. Please make sure that you are going to install the Report Weaver for web environment. Okay, so because there are two versions, one for web and another one for Windows Phone. But in this case, we need to install the web one. Okay, so let's install it. Okay. Yeah, and it's done. Okay, so let's close this. And hold on, it's loading a page. Close these two. Now let's add a new item. Go to dataset, name it whatever you want, so it doesn't care. So just add. Here right click, add new data table, and add the same name as in our database. So students with 3 columns, name, address, and age. Okay. Let's add the ID as well. So ID, add column, name, add new column, address, and add new column, age. Okay, so now we have our dataset. Once we have created our dataset, the next step is to create our report template. Okay, so let's add a folder and let's name it LDLC templates. Okay, now in that folder right click, add new item and look for report. In Spanish is informe, so don't care, you please search for report and let's name it students report. Click on trust. Okay, let's add just a page header, and here in our toolbox, sorry, let's write the student list information from database. Okay, we can align this to center. Here. Text align, select center. Yeah, now right click here, insert table. Let's name students ds lowercase students. It doesn't care, but I will use the name in lowercase. So this is the dataset that we had created earlier. So select that one and give it the name you want, any name you want. So student yes, and that's it. Okay, so now here you have ID, name, address. Right click, insert column to the right. Here is add age. Okay, so yeah, now we have our dataset, we have our RDLC, sorry. The next step is to create is to add let's look for web forms form, this one. Select a web form, name it report weaver form, click OK. We're going to use an script manager, and we are going to use a report weaver. So now let's go to see this. Okay, this is a DLL problem, so let's fix it. Okay, open a notepad, close this application. Here we have two paths. Okay, so open the first one in the Explorer, and delete the DLL file. Open the second one on the Explorer and delete this DLL file. Okay, now open again Visual Studio 2017 or any version you are using, and the problem should have been solved. Okay, just let's wait until it finishes to load. Let's close this. Here we have a weaver from database. Open your application again, please, and wait until you finish to load your project. It might take some minutes. Yeah, and here you go. As you can see, here we have our report weaver control. Yeah, so click on this button and select our template. This is a template that we had created before. Okay, so everything here is done. Okay, now 2 steps left. The other step, or the next step, is to add new item, data, and auto entity model. Okay, for that, as I am using a Windows authentication, I only need the server name. Select next, new connection, paste your server, choose Windows authentication. Of course, if you are using a SQL Server authentication, you must provide your credentials. But in this case, I'm not. Okay, so select your database. In this case, mine is report waiver control test connection. Okay, okay. Hold on. Next. Tables, DBO, students, finish. There are different ways to create your models. So you can do it using code queries, using an auto model from the designer. Yeah, in this case, this is just one of those methods. Okay, but there are many. So let's wait until it finishes to render our model. It may take some minutes, so just wait, please. Yeah, here we have the same fields: ID, name, address, and age. So save it. And wait until it finish. Sorry for the time, but my computer is not very good, so sometimes it gets slow. It's done. Okay, now, yeah, we are almost done. The next step is to go to the code behind report waiver control. As we are using web forms, we must validate the postback. Yeah, and let's get the information from the database in the following way. Okay. Let's go to our config to see what is the name of the entities. Yeah, super well. Okay, now as we are using a web forms view, we should validate the postback. Okay, so just add this validation, and inside using block, add this please. And let's get the information from database in a student list. Students list. Sorry, TV. Students to list. Okay. In a report waiver control. Local report. Data source. Clear. Okay. Let's add a report data source. Here just place the student list, and here just add this one. Okay, in this string we should add our report data source that we created before. Is students ds. Okay, so now go again to the report we were to play and type students ds. And now go to views, home, index. What we are going to do now is to attach our web form view inside a C# HTML view. Okay, for that we're going to use an iframe. We will control web form, the width of 1200, or maybe a height of 900, and yeah, if everything went fine, we should be able to see our information in a report viewer control. So run your application please and wait until it finishes. The application is starting, so just wait until it finishes. Let's close this. Okay, for the moment, while we wait the application to render, to finish to render, let's insert let's change this to okay, let's insert 2 rows more. Select everything for students, from students. Yeah, and here you go. We have our information from database in a report viewer control using MVC. And of course you can export the information as a PDF. As it is shown. Here you have your PDF file. Or you can use Word or Excel. Yeah, so that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this helped you to understand how to use a report viewer control. So thanks for your time.